Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video, just a quick one for those of you that may be experiencing problems with Fortnite loading and crashing straight away. If you're using a Intel-based system, or you have a NPU built into your system, then potentially this could be affecting you. Now, this for me materialized after I did a chipset or driver update for my motherboard, and it installed a new NPU driver, and that is when Fortnite stopped working. So I couldn't quite work it out. So if this is happening to you, the first thing you want to do is head over into your actual logs to see where it's actually all going wrong. So in order to do that, on my desktop, here it is, this is the location. So if you just copy and paste that, I'll put it in the video description so you can do it for yourselves. So go down to copy, go down to search at the bottom, type in run, and then paste into the run box, and then press OK. So this is going to take you to your Fortnite crash logs. So as you can see, I've got quite a few there on the 25th. Today's the 28th, so I've finally got around to doing this video. So what you want to do is go into one of your crash logs, go into the folder, and then you've got the Fortnite game log. So we're going to double click on that to open it. And you can expand it if you want to see the full thing. And what you want to do is to go right to the very bottom of the crash log. So scroll all the way down, and you'll see the last thing which was actually trying to be processed. So as you can see here, it says here, selecting NPU adapter, Intel AI Boost. Now obviously this point here, it's supposed to be selecting your graphics card. For some bizarre reason, the Fortnite game engine seems to get a little bit confused between an NPU and a GPU. Don't ask me why, no idea. So that is why your game is starting to load, and it gets to the kind of loading section, and then it'll just crash to the desktop because it's trying to use your NPU rather than your GPU, which is pretty bizarre. So how do you actually get around this? So the easiest way I find of doing it is if you go down to the start flag here, right click and go into Device Manager, and you can see all the things which are in your Device Manager, and just go down to where it says Neural Processors and Intel AI Boost. So right click on that and just choose Disable Device. It'll say here, disabling it will stop it functioning. Do you want to disable it? Just click on yes. And then you'll see it's kind of disabled or grayed out there. So then what you can do is you can go into Fortnite, load up a game. Once it's actually done it for the first time, you can then go back in and re-enable your NPU. So it is actually working and active. It just seems to be that first time for the configuration, especially if you've done chipset updates or there's been a major update to Fortnite game engine itself where it tries to kind of re-establish all the settings. It's just getting confused over your NPU versus your GPU. So then you can go run your game and everything will be great. So hopefully this video is going to be useful to you. If it is, smash that like button. If you want to see more content like this on a daily basis, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button, and then if you do, click on the chime notification and choose all notifications. That way you'll be notified of all future video releases. So there you go. I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.